Okay guys, kanamanje because we are going to try ikota la ekasi emnandi. I'm gonna show you guys. Makasikosho ukuthi imnandi or not. We're gonna taste and give it a chance. And give you the updates. La bathengisa khona nama
azi ukuthi ubhayana
no mina ngifuna ikota shem mangikhuluma ngifuna makakude leshem so we are on our way to buy some kasikota. You know how it tastes like. Basela isipani. Yo mina butiza mina ngathi ngosengidatha
Senza lingani zoma namhlanje ngoba mina bengidla.
Bese ngiposta ngivlog namhlanje because of yona lento idatha.
Whenever time bangathi idatha vlog yakho uyipost.
Angina bengana choice bengisenze njani? Bese muhle lokhu. Yes yes. Maraye. Ngiyithanda le ngoma le mama.
Bebeshayile event best of both worlds.
Anje kunalo girl lo omunye omusha lo uyama awards banikabala.
Mara ukharisha mafo.
Wazisa.
Mara ukharisha lo beka yenza jokes le. Makule ngoma yathi bengithanda nami. Yeah, yathi je uyithanda.
Hayi umnyama yena.
Kulo Shandesho.
Oh, Shandesh, yes. Shandesh is the
walk dala nya.
Shandesh. Kuma ngathi business.
Abanye abantu mama business abo bebawaphethe ama business anamasiko.
Isinkwa.
Bawathatha bathola nje imali sebayabhayisa.
Sesifile guys. Oh, sorry. Bengicela usenzele ama-chips abe crispy.
Amalini.
Utizami imali yakho ufuna nawe akufuna abe crispy. Oh, wait two abe crispy. 22 ne 20.
22 na 20.
Yeah.
Mabe crispy.
Yes, ama-chips.
Nifaka amasosi.
Afaka amasosi yakho?
Yeah, bye-bye.
20 ufake isosi, amasosi. And then 22 wafaka amancane because ngifuna ukwazi la ma-chips lawa crispy. Okay, thank you. So we are waiting for the nice kota. I can't wait to Lambengi. Oh, Sisi. Oh, ishathe ngokuhluphaza. Besicela ukuthi la makota ethu 20 ne 22. Na owafry emapaleni. Uwafake ma-roast fry lo.
Nifaka amasosi.
Uwafry. Yeah.
Ine cheese le.
Okay, siyabonga. Hi guys. Sisibona sibone. Crispy kamnandi.
Hayi namasiko.
Some chips are crispy. Mende the quotation. Uzimisele. Guys, lo sisu deserve a tip shem. Ikota yakhe, it's made with love. Oh.